Ever think you'd meet a championship boxer who also builds AI? Get ready to have your mind blown.
Yeah, this one's wild.
We're doing a deep dive on Anthony Pyper. And let me tell you, his bio reads like a movie pitch.
Definitely not your average resume, that's for sure.
AI researcher, check. But also, 3-time Golden Gloves boxing champ. How's that even work?
Right, talk about breaking the mold.
Okay, so
Mm.
his bio goes deep on making AI more human-like. Not just like smarter robots, but something deeper.
It's a fascinating goal, right? Piper's not just trying to replicate tasks. He wants AI to understand nuance to adapt like we do.
So less calculating machine, more intuitive thought process kind of thing.
Exactly. He's trying to crack the code of human intelligence, and his edge of chaos algorithm, that's a big piece of the puzzle.
Edge of chaos. Sounds kind of intense, like a sci-fi thriller.
It's actually really cool once you wrap your head around it. Imagine a system that's always pushing its limits, always on the verge of going haywire, but never quite does.
So controlled chaos.
Yeah.
Like walking a tightrope, but for robots.
In a way, yeah. It's about finding that sweet spot between structure and pure randomness. Pyper believes that's where real learning happens, both for us and for AI.
Huh. Never thought about it like that.
Yeah.
And this algorithm is not just about, like, teaching a computer to play chess.
No way, it's way bigger. We're talking neural networks. Think of them like digital replicas of the human brain, these intricate webs of connections that process information.
Neural networks.
Yeah.
Always sounded crazy complicated to me.
They're complex, but super fascinating. And Piper's edge of chaos could revolutionize how these networks learn and evolve. Imagine AI that can analyze medical data, compose music, all with the same intuition as a human expert.
Whoa, that's some next level stuff.
Yeah.
But hold up, we're just scratching the surface here, because this AI genius is also a boxing champ. The animal, they called him. This bio does not let you forget it.
And for good reason. 3-time Golden Gloves champion, that's no joke.
Seriously. Trained to a mix of Twista and Metallica. Talk about an eclectic taste in music.
Gotta have some variety, right? Maybe that blend of speed and intensity, those rapid-fire lyrics, the heavy riffs, maybe it reflects how his mind works, you know? Fast, powerful, unexpected.
And you got to be strategic in both boxing and AI, right? Maybe that's not as unrelated as it seems.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. Pyper does all this to inspire his daughter, Nova.
Right, he wants to show her anything is possible. Suddenly it's not just about AI or boxing. It's about a father's love, about pushing boundaries for the next generation.
Exactly. Pyper's story isn't just about individual achievement. It's about legacy, about proving that passion can fuel success in any field.
And it all started with Robot Man and Friends, an old NEC computer. Who knew those childhood hobbies would lead to all this?
Right. Sometimes the most unexpected things spark our greatest passions. Pyper teaches us to embrace those interests, those quirks, and see where they lead us.
So Anthony Pyper, AI innovator, boxing champ, and, let's face it, incredible role model. Yeah. Is there anything this guy can't do?
Seriously. And here's something to think about. What if Pyper used his AI knowledge to analyze boxing? Imagine the insights he could uncover, the strategies he could create. Could AI be the future of sports training?
Now that's a knockout thought. Anthony Pyper, you've officially blown our minds. Keep pushing those boundaries. Who knows what amazing things you'll accomplish next.